If you are not expecting a better battery life out of the Pixel 7 Pro, then start expecting a great battery life out of the Pixel 7 Pro, because the initial numbers on the Pixel 7 Pro are quite surprising and exciting, since this thing lasts fairly longer. If you don't have a busy day with your Pixel 7 Pro, it can last even 2 full days. While using the camera for 22 minutes, including some gaming session and Twitter session, this thing lasted the full day, and at the end of the day it was at 49%. The screen on time is what matters, and the Pixel 7 Pro gives a 3 hours and 43 minutes of screen on time, using throughout the day, which means this also includes some standby time. But if you use this straight on, this thing will give a better screen on time than the Galaxy S22 Ultra, which is amazing. Most people complained about the Pixel 6 Pro battery last year when it was launched, but later Google fixed the issue with the software update, but thankfully Pixel 7 Pro is already a beast in battery backup, although both phones share the same battery, 5000 mAh. This matters to some people, and for some people it don't matter, but Google Pixel 7 Pro charging speed is also good. While using an over 20 watt fast charger, this thing charged pretty well, even though Google put a 30 watt fast charging support in the Pixel 7 Pro, but plugging Pixel 7 on charging on 20%, and in 30 minutes it goes up to 56%, which means 36% in half an hour, and in 60 minutes it goes up to 83%, which is good. Since the charger was 20 watt, so I think using a similar charger will keep the battery safe and healthy for a longer time. One quick suggestion: try to charge your phone below 90% and plug in before 20%. This will keep your phone's battery safe. The battery on the Pixel 7 Pro is really good, but Google didn't increase the battery on the Pixel 7 Pro, instead putting a new power efficient processor, the new Tensor Gen 2 chipset. Although it is not a powerhouse when it comes to raw performance, but more power efficient than the last generation to give a better battery backup. Although not everyone is a hardcore gamer, so it is the best to have a phone which performs good at the same time gives a better battery backup. One thing to notice, Google improved the machine learning by 35%, which improves a couple of things in the Pixel 7 Pro, and also a 20% GPU improvements over the last year Pixel 6 Pro. The new features on the Pixel 7 Pro are amazing, although we didn't get the big hardware changes, but software changes are real and here, including the new cameras, the new 48 megapixel telephoto lens which can go up to 30x digital zoom, too far compared to the last generation Pixel 6 Pro. Also, the new ultra wide sensor brings the new autofocus, which helps Pixel 7 Pro to take macro shots. Amazing. If you want to see the 30x zoom on the Pixel 7 Pro, then you guys should check this video. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.